My name is Putira Simpi and I am the specialist at South African Revenue Service. SARS invites you to a webinar on third-party appointment and employer reconciliation tax directives for taxpayers, tax practitioners and fund administrators taking place on Thursday, the 18th of May at 5 p.m. A third-party appointment is an official instruction from SARS to a taxpayer's employer or fund manager to deduct admin penalties owing by that taxpayer to SARS. The EasyFile platform is a tool used by employers to perform that duty as per SARS instruction. Don't forget to send your questions regarding this topic to employerquestions@sars.gov.za. Remember, Thursday, 18 May 2023, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. See you there.